Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unveiling 7 must-have gadgets that are sure to make your life easier and a whole lot cooler. Let's get started. The iMassager 6D Smart Bluetooth Eye Care Instrument is a high-tech eye care device designed to relieve fatigue and stress around your eyes. Featuring advanced 6D airbag technology and soothing vibration. It provides a gentle massage that improves circulation and reduces tension. With a built-in hot compress function, it offers calming warmth for added relaxation. The device also includes Bluetooth connectivity for music streaming. The anti-gravity humidifier with LED clock display combines innovative design with practical functionality. This cool mist humidifier also serves as an aromatherapy diffuser. Its unique floating water droplet effect and rain cloud diffuser create a visually captivating experience while adding moisture to the air. The multifunctional UV sanitizer box is a versatile disinfection device designed to keep your personal items germ-free. Equipped with ultraviolet light and ozone technology, it effectively eliminates bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens from surfaces like phones, makeup tools, and keyboards. The UV light sanitizing wand adds an extra layer of convenience, allowing you to target specific areas for disinfection. The Wake Up Sunrise alarm clock is perfect for heavy sleepers and kids, offering a gentle and effective wake-up experience. Featuring sunrise simulation, this alarm clock gradually brightens to mimic a natural sunrise, helping you wake up more refreshed. It includes dual alarms, an FM radio, and a snooze function, along with a nightlight option. With 7 colors and 7 natural sounds, it also serves as a versatile sleep aid. The RN Sprinkler Timer is a programmable and versatile irrigation system designed for efficient garden and lawn watering. This digital water timer features multiple modes, including manual, automatic, and rain delay, allowing you to customize watering schedules to suit your garden's needs. Compatible with garden hoses and outdoor soaker hoses. The ProtoArt foldable Bluetooth keyboard is a versatile, full-size travel keyboard designed for seamless connectivity with Windows, iOS, and Android devices. Its compact foldable design makes it highly portable, while the built-in numeric keypad ensures efficient data entry. Ideal for tablets, smartphones, laptops, and PCs, this wireless keyboard combines functionality with convenience, making it perfect for professionals and travelers alike. The portable mouse pad large gaming desk mat is designed for gamers and professionals alike. Made from durable PU leather and suede, it offers a sleek, waterproof surface that's easy to clean. Its non-slip base ensures stable performance during intense gaming sessions or typing marathons.